Hey, welcome back. It is so great to have you here with us today.
Yo, yes! Welcome, welcome. We are really happy you joined us.
I am David, and this is Alice, and today we are talking about weekends.
Yes! Weekends! Everybody loves the weekend, right?
We are going to talk about what you do on your days off, how to ask your friends about their weekend, and how to answer those questions in natural English.
This is perfect if you are a beginner or if you just want to sound more natural in everyday conversation.
So grab a cup of tea or coffee or whatever you like, and just relax and listen with us.
This is going to be a fun one.
It really is. And Alice, I have to say, I really love making these episodes with you.
Me too! Honestly, I look forward to this every time.
So if you enjoy listening to us and you want to keep learning, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps us, and you will never miss a new episode.
Yes, go ahead and subscribe. It is free, and it means more English practice for you.
Okay, so let's get into it. Think about this. It is Monday morning. You walk into work or school, or you see a friend, and what does someone always ask you?
Oh, I know this one. They always say, "How was your weekend?"
Exactly. How was your weekend? It is one of the most common questions in English.
And sometimes I hear people answer with just one word, like, "Good." And that's it.
Yes, good, and then silence.
Huh. It works, but it does not start a real conversation.
Right? So today, we want to help you give longer, more interesting answers, and also to ask your friends the same things.
Wow, so much to learn from just one small question.
That is the beauty of it. Okay, let's start with some key words and phrases. The first one is, had a good weekend.
Had a good weekend. So I say, I had a good weekend.
Perfect. I had a good weekend. This is your basic friendly answer, simple and natural.
I had a good weekend. I like that.
Now, what if your weekend was amazing? What if something really special happened?
Then what do I say?
You can say, I had an amazing weekend, or I had a great weekend.
I had a great weekend. That sounds so much better than just good.
Exactly. I had a great weekend. Say it with me. I had a great weekend.
I had a great weekend.
Beautiful. Now, the next phrase, I stayed home. This means you did not go out. You relaxed at your house.
Oh, I do this a lot. I stayed home. That is very much me on a Sunday.
Same. I stayed home. Or you can say, I just stayed home and relaxed.
Oh, I just stayed home and relaxed. I love that. It sounds so cozy.
It does, and just here makes it sound very casual and natural. I just stayed home, not I only stayed home. I just stayed home.
I just stayed home. Got it.
The next word, went out, the opposite of staying home. I went out.
So, I went out with my friends?
Exactly. I went out with my friends, or I went out for dinner, or I went out for a walk.
Wow, I went out for a walk. That is nice. Simple and clear.
I went out. Say it once more. I went out.
I went out.
Great. Now, another very useful phrase, spent time with, as in, I spent time with my family.
Oh, I spent time with my family. That sounds really warm and natural.
It does. I spent time with my family, or I spent time with my friends, or I spent some time alone.
I spent some time alone. That is a real thing too.
Of course, many people enjoy time alone. It is called alone time, and it is completely normal to say.
I spent some time alone. I really needed that this weekend, actually.
Same, honestly. Okay, next phrase. Watched a movie or watched a show.
Oh, yes! This is a big one. I always watch something on the weekend.
I watched a movie or I watched a show on Netflix. Very common, very natural.
I watched a movie. Easy to say, easy to remember.
And one more. Tried a new restaurant. This means you went to eat somewhere new.
Ooh, I tried a new restaurant. That sounds exciting.
I tried a new restaurant last weekend. Or we tried a new place for lunch.
Oh, we tried a new place. That sounds so casual and fun.
Exactly. Natural English is often very simple. Just a few words put together in the right way.
I used to think English had to be so complicated.
It really does not. Okay, I think it is time for our role play.
Yes. Okay, so I am going to be a friend and you just got back from your weekend, right?
Perfect. Let's do it.
Oh, hey, David, how was your weekend?
Oh, it was really good. I had a great weekend, actually.
Yeah? What did you do?
Well, on Saturday, I went out with some friends for dinner. We tried a new Italian restaurant downtown.
Wow, nice. How was it?
It was delicious. And then on Sunday, I just stayed home. I watched a show on Netflix and went to bed early.
That sounds like a perfect Sunday, honestly.
It really was. How about you? How was your weekend?
Mine was great. I spent time with my family on Saturday. We went to the park.
Oh, that sounds lovely.
It was. And Sunday, I just stayed home. I read a book and watched a movie. Very relaxing.
Nice. I love a quiet weekend.
Me too. I needed it.
Okay, let's pause here for a second. Did you hear all those phrases?
I had a great weekend. I went out with friends. We tried a new restaurant. I just stayed home. I watched a show.
All of those in one short conversation. That is real, everyday English.
And it did not sound complicated at all.
That is the goal. Natural, simple, friendly. Okay, now let's talk about some common mistakes.
Uh-oh. I feel like I make these.
Do not worry, we all make them. So, one very common mistake is saying, "My weekend was very nice."
Wait, what is wrong with that?
Nothing is wrong exactly, but it sounds a little formal, a little stiff. In casual conversation, people say, "I had a great weekend," not "My weekend was very nice."
Oh. So the structure is different.
Yes, we say "I had a great weekend," not "My weekend was great," in casual speech.
Okay. So what about this? I did rest at home. Is that okay?
That one. So the natural way to say it is, "I just stayed home and rested," or simply, "I stayed home." We do not say, "I did rest."
Why not? I did rest. To me, it makes sense.
I understand, but "I did rest" sounds like you are correcting someone, or being very emphatic. In regular speech, we just say, "I rested," or "I stayed home."
Okay. So I stayed home and rested. Got it.
Exactly. And one more. People sometimes say, "I have gone to a restaurant." But we are talking about the past weekend, so we say, "I went to a restaurant."
I went to a restaurant. Not, I have gone, because it is finished. It happened last weekend.
Exactly right. Simple past tense for finished past events.
我是. Grammar can be simple when you just learn it in context.
That is exactly it. Context makes grammar natural.
Love it.
Okay, now it is your turn, listener. We want you to practice right now. I am going to ask you a question, and I want you to answer out loud. Do not be shy. Nobody is listening except you.
Okay, that is not true. We are listening, but you know what we mean.
Okay, fair point, but really, say it out loud. That is how you practice. Ready?
Ready.
Here is the question. How was your weekend?
Oh, go on. Say your answer. Say, I had a, and finish the sentence.
Try it. I had a great weekend, or I had a relaxing weekend, or I had a busy weekend.
Yo, I had a busy weekend. I like that one too. Busy is a great word.
Yes, a busy weekend, meaning you did a lot of things. You were active.
Now say it one more time with me. I had a great weekend.
I had a great weekend.
Perfect. You are doing so well.
Seriously. If you said that out loud just now, even quietly, you are practicing real English. That counts.
And if you want to keep practicing, try writing your answer in the comments below. Tell us, how was your weekend?
We read your comments, and we love hearing from you. It is such a nice way to practice writing, too.
Yes, a great way to practice both speaking and writing.
Okay, let's wrap up today's episode. We learned so many useful phrases, but let me give you the 3 most important ones to remember.
The big 3.
Number 1, I had a great weekend. Your go-to answer. Simple, natural, positive.
I had a great weekend.
Number 2, I just stayed home and relaxed. For when you had a quiet, cozy weekend.
Oh, I just stayed home and relaxed. Perfect for a lazy Sunday.
And number 3, I went out with my friends. For when you had a social, active weekend.
I went out with my friends. Those 3 phrases cover so much.
They really do. And now, our question for you in the comments. Ready?
Yo, tell us, what did you do last weekend?
Did you stay home? Did you go out? Did you watch something, try somewhere new, or spend time with someone special?
Tell us in the comments. We genuinely want to know.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like. It really helps more people find us and start learning.
And subscribe so you never miss an episode. We are here every week.
It has been such a pleasure spending this time with you today.
I always feel happy after one of these.
Me too, honestly. Take care of yourself. Keep practicing your English every day. Even just a little bit, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye for now.
See you soon.